Shey Gumi don come deliver message for Nigerians so according to na advice they come give us, and e tok say e dey tell Nigerians say make they no try remove Pantami. If not, they go regret am. Because una remember the matter wey bring Pantami inside this board, wey dey talk say all the views and comments wey do concerning the extremist religious what Islamic what yes, and because of that they come say make this man step down, make he resign. And now my people, after matter wey I bring una for una wey remember, yes, I tell una say Buhari government dey in full support, they dey behind Pantami strong back to back. And now Shey Gumi don also bring im own. He say we go regret am if we try remove Pantami from im position. So abeg, for una wey no know who be Shey Gumi, una never see am before, una never hear that yeye voice, abeg join me make we watch the video.
He's not a terrorist sympathizer. Show me if one person has killed. He has not killed anybody. He has not ordered for killing everybody. Just discard the fake news and everything. The man is working with stabilizing a government among a section of youth which we like them to come and join in nation building. And you people were fighting them, then you say you trust people like Pantami. No, you should get more like him and put them in power. Don't remove him. You will regret.
Abeg, who is the owner of Nigeria? I dey ask, who is the owner of Nigeria? Who owns Nigeria? Because these people now, they think say Nigeria belong to them. I don't confuse. Who owns this country? See this one. See Gumi, come outside now, they tell us, no, before you know now, no, now watch. Very soon they go give this one position. Prime Minister of so, Minister of that. Una go yera, they go soon give up. Who owns Nigeria? Nordnas. I don't understand. Charlie, if Nigeria, assuming this country now, no, my people now no go understand why they like this. I don't weak. Some kind things they make me weak. Like the strength no dey again. Assuming this country now one sane country, where this man supposed then not be behind bars. Where will they go? No, are they serious? Hey. Oh, Charlie. This one now, police they watch am. DSS they watch am. Nobody go come and say, okay, yeah, maybe at least even if una no go arrest am. Nobody go call her for questioning. At this stage, Gumi even they stand, like even they sit down for press. They talk to press. What level of nonsensical nonsense is this one? Nonsensical nonsense. All of una see. If you know say you dey inside these people gang a big group, make I tell you the kind judgment wey go fall on top una. E no go better for person wey say this country to Fulani people. I swear, wa laita lie also long dey lie. E no go better for that person. See this the kind suffering wey we dey una dey put us. Hi. E dey pain me. I no go lie, e is paining me. In fact, I am in pain. Anytime why they think of our past leaders, make us not even go far. Jonathan. We no value that man. I not to say they perfect. No get me wrong. But my people, when it was his time, we had freedom of speech. At least to a level, we get freedom of speech. Now look at us. We are slaves, even in our own land. We are slaves in our father's house. You can imagine the kind of life where these people don't put us inside. What do you expect? Even animals, they lead us. We all supposed to behave like animals. Oh God, I beg, just help Nigeria. I beg, I know they ask you for anything. Just help Nigeria. Terrorists as leaders. How would I expect me peace reign for this kind of country? See, everything will be prayer. Prayer is good, but some things you go pray, you go grow beers. Pray no go happen. Why? See, the problem is not the country right now. The problem is the people leading this country. Terrorists are leading Nigeria. So how you want make peace reign? What do they call that English? Characteristics of a terrorist? War. Yes. No peace. No obedience of the law. I beg me una no allow my English to come outside because what is to me? I don't tire. I have tired. Now people, I don't hear am from the cow mouth. Say we go regret am. Una go regret am. Abi we no go regret am. Una still want make Pantami get down. Abi may continue for that place. I wan know wetin una dey think. So I beg make una help this sister wey sit down here because without una opinion, I don't know wetin I dey do for here. So biko abeg start dey drop am for that comment section. I wan hear everybody. Very very important. And make sure say you share this video. Make everybody know say Shey Gumi don come give us your own advice. And abeg subscribe biko see my hand. Just click on that thing so that you no go miss anything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.